adding and subtracting fractions to mixed numbers. The process that we're going to use only works basically with small denominators, and we have small denominators here. So again, be very careful. Do not use this with everything, but small denominators, it works very well. So we're going to do some cross multiplication first. So we're going to say 2 times 5 is 10, plus 3 times 1 is 3, and then we're going to create one denominator made from 3 times 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. Then we'll add the numerator, 10 plus 3, which gives us 13 over 6. Now we're going to take 13 over 6 and turn this into a mixed number by subtracting. So 13 take away 6 is going to give us 7 over 6. And every time you do a subtraction, you're going to get 1. Okay, let's subtract again. 7 take away 6 gives us 1 over 6. And we'll add another 1 here. We get 2. So 2 and 1, 6. So let's do this again. Okay, here we're going to multiply the 6 times 7 and the 2 times 1. And 6 times 7 is going to be 42 minus 2 times 1 is going to be 2. And this is all over 2 times 6. So let's multiply 2 times 6. And that's going to give us 12. Okay, so 42 take away 2 is 40 all over 12. Now let's start subtracting. So 40 over 12. Let's subtract 40 take away 12 gives us 28, I believe, over 12. And every time you subtract, you're going to get 1. We'll subtract again. 28 take away 12 gives us 16 over 12. And now we add another 1. This gives us 2. And let's start from the, let's subtract again. 16 take away 12 is 4 over 12. And we add 1 more, we get 3. Okay, and now we can't subtract anymore, which is good. So we're going to start simplifying. So I'm going to divide all this by 4, all this by 4, which is the greatest common factor. And it simplifies to a 3 1/3. Okay, once again, we're going to cross multiply 5 times 4 and 4 times 4. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 4 times 4 is 16. And then for the denominator, 4 times 5, which would be 20. Now when we add this together, 25 plus 16, we'll get 41 over 20. And then we're going to take our 41 over 20 and start subtracting. So 41 take away 20 gives us 21 over 20. And then every time you subtract, you're going to get 1. So 21 take away 20 is 1 over 20. And we'll add another 1 here. So now we have 2. And that's our answer, 2 1/20. Okay, so for here, 8 times 7, that is 56. 6 times 1 is 6. Sorry, subtract and then 6. And this is all going to be over 6 times 8, which is 48. So 56 take away 6 is 50. And that's all over 48. Now let's do some subtraction. We have 52 over 48. When I subtract these two, I'm going to get a 4. Yep, a 4. 4 over 48. And every time you subtract, you'll get 1. Okay, and now I'm going to simplify this. Let's write 1 and 4 over 48 here. And I'm going to simplify by dividing it by the greatest common factor, which is 4. So divide by 4, divide by 4. And the simplified answer is 1 and 1 over 12.